Oh, okay. Well, I'm back from lunch. I just tried to record a video and it didn't work, so I pushed the button and now it's recording. So, Ricky and Kalisha, she's right there, are here. Well, I just had lunch. It was Burger Bar at the West, so I didn't have to go outside. Yeah. Dane went and took a nap because he's a pansy, so he's wasting away his snow day. And I mean, there's not really much else going on. I haven't really done anything. I played a couple games online. Facebook is constantly open, and I am bored out of my mind. So probably gonna watch TV or something until Dane wakes up, or I don't know. So that's not creepy at all. So, alright, I'll talk to you guys later.